top of not being inspired creatively, I have also, the past couple of weeks, not been in my routine. I haven't been working out consistently, like in the mornings. Like sometimes I've been doing it in the afternoons, and sometimes I haven't been working out at all. I don't know. I've broken all of my habits. I just want to get back to a good routine because I feel the best when I am in a good routine. I had a little breakfast this morning, and the plan for the rest of the day is to tidy the house. There are some bits and bobs everywhere that I need to just tidy up, fluff the cushions on the couch, that kind of stuff. I need to make a grocery list because today is grocery day. I need to go get groceries. I want to go for a little walk. That part might not happen because the rain is supposed to come soon. And then I need to meal prep. So that's what I'm gonna do. And I'm gonna take you along and we're gonna reset for the week. I will not be working out today. I worked out a lot yesterday and the day before. And so today is a day of rest. Sundays, I always take off. I do not work out on Sundays usually. Okay, let's start getting ready because it is noon. It's noon. The only thing I need. Okay, so I just tidied the house and did dishes, and then I got dressed and I put a little bit of makeup on, just the teeniest amount. Ignore the giant pile of stuff over there. This is what happens when you get married or when you're planning a wedding, is eventually in the final months leading up to the wedding, you just have stuff in a pile in your house because it's stuff that you've bought, it's stuff that you need, and you need to keep it all in one place, otherwise you'll lose it. Well, this is what happens if you're planning a wedding in a one-bedroom apartment. So I'm just about to make a grocery list for the week. We always make a grocery list, even if we don't meal prep, we always plan our dinners. Typically we'll plan about 5 dinners. We always make dinners that last at least 2 nights, sometimes 3. Cooking every night is just not it for me. I'm tired and I don't want to. What I'll do is I'll figure out what dinners we want to eat. We like to do themes a lot. So this week we'll be doing tacos like all week. I need to figure out what to do for lunches. And then for breakfast, I want to start eating oatmeal again. I've been off it for a little while and I really miss it. So I'm gonna get some frozen fruit for that, some bananas. I have lots of oats, so I'm good. So what I will do is I will lay out the dinners, I will lay out the lunches, and then I will make a big list on my phone, always on my phone, of what I need. I will put it on the screen here to like show you what it looks like, and then I'll fill in the gaps. So I know I need some more barista oat milk, and so I'm gonna grab that, and then I'm gonna head out. I've tidied the whole house, I vacuumed, I dusted things, finished the dishes, put away all the groceries. I got a ton of vegetables and fruits, which is fantastic. I'm meal prepping right now, so meal prepping is something we do every weekend. We usually do it together. After I finish meal prep, I am going to lie down. I'm so tired. My skin looks nice though, so there's that. And I think I'm gonna nap. Maybe not like nap, but like I'm gonna lie down. Everything's done. The house is clean. My skin is clean. We have groceries, we have lunches. I think I am properly reset. I'm ready to work out tomorrow morning. I'm ready to have a nice healthy breakfast. It was a really nice, productive day, and I'm going to spend the rest of it doing the next productive thing that I can think of, which is relaxing so that I am not stressed tomorrow morning and feeling like I want to relax more. So if you've made it this far, what is the one thing that you cannot skip? Something that you must absolutely prepare / do before the week starts. Anyway, I hope you have a great week, or you had a great week. Bye.